Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online without doing extra work. It is free and available worldwide. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So make sure to watch the video until the end to earn passive income on autopilot. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. Let's get started with this video. To begin, go to Skillshare.com, which offers a variety of online workshops, video training, and courses. This website is used by those who want to learn new skills. Customers can enroll in a range of classes and watch a variety of videos on this platform. At this point, you're probably wondering how we'll monetize our website, and that's exactly what we'll talk about next. Now, go to our website's homepage and go to the bottom to learn how to become a teacher. Click on it in the teaching area to go to this page, where you can create a free account, become a teacher, and start posting videos to this website. Don't worry, you won't have to make any videos since I'll show you how to acquire ready-to-submit videos right immediately. It'll be a lot easier than you think, and I'll guide you through the process. So when it comes to teaching, that's how it works on Skillshare.com. You must first establish your first class, after which you must upload videos to this website and start earning money per minute as more people watch the video. That's right, you read it accurately. You will be paid each minute that people watch your lessons or courses. And many people earn thousands of dollars per year simply by submitting videos to this platform. Let's go on to the following section, which is located directly here. What are my money-making options? It essentially states that you'll be paid monthly royalties and referral bonuses dependent on how long people view your videos. At the moment, there are two ways to make money on this platform. The first is to upload these videos or courses to this platform, and the second is to direct people to the site. Later on, I'll show you how to do that. So now that you've returned to the main page, all you have to do is click on this green button that says Create a Class, and you'll be taken to a website where you can post your video tutorials or courses. But you won't be creating them yourself, so stay with me because I'll show you where we can get these films done in a minute. I'll give you two examples right now. Now, if I select the graphic design category from the Explore button at the top, I'll be led to this graphic design page. As you can see, this site has a sizable following, so you can be confident that if you post a video here, you'll be able to start earning money right immediately. A content creator, for example, contributed this video playlist. As you can see, a single playlist has multiple videos varying in length from 1 minute to 10 minutes. So while I'm watching this video, the uploader is making money by allowing others to see it as well. This is a great way to create passive income since after you copy and paste the video on here, anyone from all over the world can watch it without you having to sell it. Let's get started by going to renderforest.com. This is a website where you can get free videos and upload them to Skillshare.com. This is a well-known company where you can acquire multimedia collateral prepared for the time being. Let's simply focus on making videos for now. Simply click the Make Videos button at the top of this toolbar to be directed to this website, which claims to provide video templates that fit your requirements. RenderForest is one of my favorite sites because you can get video templates for free. These aren't just any videos, they're professionally created and you can have them all with just a few clicks and no expenses. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. It's not a problem if you don't have access to a computer because you can do everything on your phone, which is a great bonus. With this in mind, I propose whiteboard animation toolkits because there are a lot of people who are interested in this subject, which is a plus. All you have to do now is click on this link to be taken to a whiteboard animation toolkit website once you've published it as a Skillshare.com training course. As you can see, it's being used by a large number of people. In a nutshell, I'd want to show you how it appears utilizing these whiteboard tutorial video templates, which are exactly like the ones you're watching now. Simply go to this website and click the Create Now button to be sent to a page where you can start creating a new video. There will now be 3 alternatives available to you. I'd like you to load a preset so that you can choose a plot that has already been created for you. Simply click the Create button once you've decided to load a preset, and you'll be directed to the screen where you may choose from a range of pre-made storylines. You can choose from a large number of done-for-you videos and download them for free utilizing Render Forest as well as submit them to Skillshare. To proceed, simply select a video and click Publish to Skillshare. If you don't have time to click on your selected video and then watch the preview, you can simply click on this Employee Ready Narrative button right here. You'll be directed to the screen after clicking that, where you can customize the video to your satisfaction. You can alter the words, add clips, and pretty much do whatever you want in the video. Select a style from the buttons above to continue. The software will then show you options like these, allowing you to change the look and feel of your video animation. Select a color from the drop-down menu next to the Style button. You can choose the main color of your video right here or skip this step. Click the last Edit button, which is Music, if you want it to stay the same. Following that, you'll be able to choose the music for your video. After you've finished all that, click this Preview button to watch the finished video, which you've already changed a little bit. To be clear, this website is absolutely free to use, and renderforest.com is a great place to obtain a lot of your materials. Remember that you may use the same method to creating new templates and video with different stories, as well as more informative videos that you can distribute on Skillshare.com and benefit from. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Give it a try and start earning money. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online without doing extra work. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.